File sharing inside of 3D printing has always been really broken, so we're going to go ahead and take a crack at making it impossible to steal files, at the same time allowing designers to make a better living doing it. So for years, designers have been selling files that other people can purchase and use, and that has been fine, but it has had a lot of problems with it. One of the most obvious problems has been the fact that there's no real way to attribute files to designers. It's very much an honor system, to where if someone buys a personal license, they agree not to sell commercially. But there's no way really to track that. The solution has been that designers go ahead and try to manually check Etsy and other areas in order to see if files are being sold without licenses. And the community has always helped with this too, but it's not really a sustainable solution. Files are stolen all the time and items are sold without having a commercial license all the time. And we have a really deep insight to this because through Portals and Teleport, we actively monitor and work with designers to make sure that unlicensed files are not sold. So there are ways for platforms to help with this, but ultimately there's other issues with the whole model too. Designers don't actually know which files are popular. They don't know which files people are selling a lot of because they don't really get sales data back from the items they design. So they don't know if they should design more of those items. Designers also have no incentive to create what sellers want, because once the file is shared and the licensing fee is paid, the designer doesn't really have ongoing incentive. So if that item sells 1 million copies or 1 copy, the designer is still paid the same and doesn't get any benefit from the large scale adoption of these types of items. You don't have to look any further than like fidget toys. Fidget toys were designed by a series of people who really do not see the economic return from the millions of copies of those fidget toys that have since been created since that trend took off. The designers created them, but they don't see anything more than the single monthly licensing fee from a few sellers who actually break loose. So ultimately you have two major problems within designers selling files for 3D printed products that don't really have a solution. Piracy is really difficult and expensive to track and almost impossible to enforce because you also can only go after somebody legally if you really want to. And designers are not really aligned with sellers because sellers are just selling the things that luckily happen to sell well, but the designers have no ongoing incentive to create new things that also continue to sell well. And this creates a really bad situation to where the community just can't come together and really create a really strong vector in making 3D printed products reliable, because the people doing the selling are separate from the people who are doing the designing, and there's no alignment there at all, even though everyone could grow so much more if there was. But we think we might have a solution that could help with this quite a bit, to where sellers and designers are fully aligned, files are stupidly protected, and better files are continuously created. So for any of you that don't currently know, we run a 3D print service called Teleport. Anyone is able to plug into Teleport and basically get 1,000 printers to support their Etsy business or their e-commerce business. Whenever they make a sale, one of our machines will fire up and print and ship that order directly to the customer for them. So they are able to get a factory on demand without having to build it themselves, which is incredibly useful to sellers. Over the last few months, we have released a feature called Catalog inside of Teleport. Anyone who is a Teleport user can get a hold of any of the files inside a catalog and sell them, and they have commercial rights to do so, and they don't have to worry about attribution. To date, Catalog has about 250 files inside of it that anybody can add to their store, which has been really useful for sellers because they get to immediately increase the number of listings that they have with files that are able to use data to choose ones that are really useful for selling. And there's a really tremendous benefit to this. But we want to expand Catalog further, and it needs to make sure that it's taking care of the designers who are submitting files to it. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to open up Catalog so that any designer can submit files to it. Those files will be openly available to anyone inside of Teleport to have printed and shipped on their behalf. There is no single licensing fee or anything else. Sellers will instead pay a royalty each time a print of that item is sold through Teleport. This means every time a designer's creation is sold, the designer will receive a royalty from that sale. This keeps it very fair because now sellers don't have an upfront expense to license files. They can instead try to sell new things without having an additional commercial license. And designers are able to get long-term benefit from their designs. But even more importantly, designers never lose control of their designs. Right now, if a designer shares a file, once it's shared, it's lost, and the designer no longer has control of it. It can be sold on Etsy or moved around or stored or just sold locally, and the designer never knows if that happens. And they can never pull back that design, which also means that the designer has to create something new next month in order to still be relevant. With Teleport, a designer can create a design, release it, people can sell it, and then the designer, if they ever see any bad actors or the product being misused, they can remove that item from Teleport, and then no one can sell it anymore because that item just disappears. The file is never shared. Only the commercial rights to have the product delivered to customers is ever exchanged. This is so much better for protecting designers because they get long-term benefit from it and long-term control of new items. So if they create an amazing item like a fidget toy today, they can see all the return from the investment and growth of it over the next 5 or 10 years without ever having the file be diluted. And sellers on Teleport get to have access to huge file catalogs that otherwise would have been very expensive to access. And since the files themselves are never shared, the files never leave our servers or are shared with some other print farm or ever leave the designer's control, the designer always has full control of those files and they can never get lost or shared around on the internet. It's like creating a song. The artist records the song and then the streamer, in this case the seller, can go ahead and distribute it to other people, but they never have control of the song or never own the song. This is entirely enabled by what we've done with Teleport, to where there is this full stack system where sellers, production, the farm, and the designers are all in one single stack, to where nothing is transferring between systems where it can get lost. We think this will be a tremendous unlock for both the designers and the sellers. The designers will be able to protect their files, always have control of their files, and earn returns from those files and those products. We think this is a tremendous win for designers and sellers. Designers never have to share their files or give away their files or lose them to the internet. They are simply granting commercial rights to print the design. Sellers get access to sell prints of those designs, but never have access to the files directly. And all of it is contained inside of a system where the designer can flip a switch and remove access to those files forever and are fully protected. It creates more alignment with sellers and designers. It gives designers access to thousands of sellers that currently use Teleport, and it gives sellers access to far more amazing products that they couldn't get a hold of before. So that sales of 3D printed products as a whole can grow across the industry because everyone now is winning. Sellers get more selection that they can potentially resell, so they can use their marketing skills and sales skills to sell those 3D printed items, and designers know what is selling well so that they can create more amazing designs to feed into that group, earn an income from it so they do not have to learn all the marketing and sales skills themselves or deal with the customer support of that part of it. And all the while, everyone has access to a giant 3D printing infrastructure with thousands of machines to allow them to scale and grow large businesses on top of this without having to build factories themselves. It is one of those traditional situations where everyone in the process is able to win so that the entire industry can grow. So here is my ask. If you are a designer who is looking to get more access to more sellers and are interested in trying out this royalty program, please reach out to us or complete the form down below, and we will get you onboarded into the beta group on Teleport and work with you to make sure that it's working just right for you to get you what you want to earn from it and all of the details and information that you want from it. Because Teleport catalog is going to be expanding over the next few months, and we want to work with incredible designers who want to help the industry increase by giving sellers access to their files on a royalty basis rather than running the treadmill of subscription where you have to create new designs every month in order to continue to be relevant. Instead, you can create a product that is useful and then access an affiliate network of people who are selling prints of that item. So fill out the form. So if you're a designer, fill out the form down below and we'll reach out to you to talk about bringing you on to Teleport catalog so that your files can reach more people and you can ideally make a better living from people selling actual prints of your products without losing control and having a long-term income from it. Thanks everybody, have a great day.